So this is how I list items on eBay from Home Depot.
Yesterday, I've listed Home Depot sellers on my spreadsheet, so I'm just going to choose from this list. I'll check this one. And of course, we'll start
with the first item. And no price blank. So let's manually search it on Google Images. Type in Home Depot. And no available item. Let's go to the second item. There's no price blank again. Let's search it on Google Images. Still no. Okay, so this is available. Let's check if there's same item in Home Depot. 46 by 48 by 16. There. I got the same item. This is $11.98 and this is $24.86. Let's check if there's available same item
in Amazon. There's none. Standard delivery. So if it's under if it's below $45, that will be $5 shipping fee. Sorry. That's going to be $16.98.
And it will be delivered on May 1st. So that's before 15 days from the date of order. So it's going to be a good product. It's more than 3 stars. And yeah, this is a good product. The last thing that we're going to do is upload it on AutoDS. Rubbermaid. So we can upload this item. Let's move on to the next one. No price blank again. What's the brand of this product? Okay. So I got the same item. Though it's currently out of stock, so we can place this one. No price blank. Okay. Shoot out 17.17 by 1264. This is not the one. Is this it? Okay, this is it. So it's free delivery. And it has 3 stars and above. No same item in Amazon. Okay. You can upload this on AutoDS. First thing I'd like to do is copy the title. Make sure the price is lower than the eBay seller. Let's make it at least $26. There. And make sure that it's on the right category. Manufacturer is Next Grill. And the model, barbecue grill. You can read. Okay. Color, does it have colors? No, color does not apply. Then the UPC does not apply. Product height, product length, brand, product highlight 2. Okay. Fates brand, Next Grill. Okay. Material, cast iron. Part type, grate. Non-stick surface, no. Weather resistant, no. Outdoor living product type, replacement grill part, okay. 1264, 1717. Okay. Mm, 0.35 extra cast iron, non-stick surface. Okay. Everything is the same. There's no description, so I'll just copy the description from Home Depot. Why is it not working? No. There. Then I'll just copy the description from Home Depot. Okay, let's proofread the description. Dimension. Everything is good. Let's make sure. Okay, then allow marketplace. And then the next thing I want to do is copy some details from this item so I can count it. Here. Just so I have a record. And then copy the eBay link. Sorry. And post it on the note. There you go. I've already uploaded